Wishing you all a wonderful evening. I, Dr. Ujwala Lande, pioneer member of Botany for You and working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who has worked for the success of this event. All respected speakers from various colleges across the nation, teachers in life sciences, research scholars, and dear students associated with us through this online platform, Botany for You. I am grateful to Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder Botany for You, for giving me this opportunity to propose vote of thanks for this 3 days national workshop on CSIR-UGC-NET-JRF LS preparation in life sciences organized from 15th January to 17th January 2021. You have witnessed the excellent feast of information and knowledge in diverse areas of life sciences in the form of video lectures delivered by expert faculties across India. I'm sure that this will definitely help you in your CSIR UGC-NET examination preparation. This is possible only because of the excellent faculties who are with us and delivering to their best. On behalf of Botany for You, we are thankful to all resource persons for this national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences part 6. In this national workshop, total 12 lectures were delivered by experts in various fields of life sciences. The workshop began with an introductory remark by Dr. Pitambar Humne, who is currently working as Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and coordinator of this 3 days national workshop for the students of life sciences and founder Botany for You, an online platform for students of life sciences. On the first day, 4 lectures were delivered by Dr. Deepak Koche, founder member Botany for You and professor, Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, on plant response to temperature stress. Mrs. K. Renuga Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Prince Shri Venkateshwara Art Science College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, on RNA processing. Ms. Sneha Wagh, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Ramanand Nagar, Burli, District Sangli, Maharashtra, on mechanism of carbon fixation. And Ms. Prajakta Bhathe, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, B.S. Patel, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pimpalgaon Kale, District Buldana, Maharashtra, on apoptosis. Thank you very much for all your contribution in this cause of academic service for the students of life sciences in the form of excellent lectures on respective topics. On the second day, 4 lectures were delivered by myself on the topic Structure and Function of Cytoskeleton. Mr. Rahul Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Balwan College, Vita, District Sangli, Maharashtra, on Immunity, a Defense System. Dr. Ganga Ji, Pioneer Member of Botany for You and Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Shri Ayyappa College, Eramlikara, Alappuzha, on hypersensitivity. Dr. Deepa Chauhan, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, CU Shah College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, on phytochrome interacting factors. I express my sincere gratitude towards the speakers for the lucid lectures delivered. On the third day, also 4 lectures were delivered by Mr. Shubham Rathod, pioneer member of Botany for You and assistant professor, Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, on basic concepts of developmental biology. Dr. Savita Mishra, Principal, Vidyasagar College of Education, Darjeeling, West Bengal, on global environment change. Dr. Nithyatharani, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Kaveri College of Women, Autonomous, Trichy, Tamil Nadu, on microscopic techniques. And Dr. Reema Srivastava, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Kanoria, PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Jaipur, Rajasthan, on DNA damage and repair mechanism. I express my heartfelt thanks to all the speakers for the informative lectures for the students of life sciences through this national workshop. It won't be fair if I fail to recognize the contribution of the teachers all over the nation who supports us all the time in circulation of our brochures to their students, which results into grand success of every program organized by this online platform Botany for You. I also extend my deep sense of gratitude towards the huge number of CSIR-UGC-NET aspiring students for their support and cooperation and active participation and appreciation through their likes and comments. Lastly, I am also thankful to each and everyone who is directly or indirectly supported us or taken efforts in organization and grand success of this event. I am very much confident about the contents and quality of this national workshop, which will be definitely helpful to the students in preparation of the examination. Soon, we are going to organize guest lecture on 22nd January 2021 on career opportunities in nanotechnology at 4 p.m. This lecture will be broadcasted through our YouTube channel. For details, you can visit our website www.botanyforyou.com. Soon after this, we are going to start lecture series on various titles of life science subjects from UG and PG syllabi of Indian universities with the contribution of members of Botany for You. This will help the students in this COVID-19 pandemic and fulfill their needs of classroom learning. For such variety of events in future, kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Botany for You. Once again, thank you all very much. Thank you.